Hello students, this is Miss Lynch. I want to show you how to go to Google Meet. It's almost the same as Google Hangouts. First, go to google.com. Then, click on the app launcher. Now, look for Meet. See, here's Hangouts we were using before, but now I am looking for Google Meet. So I'm going to scroll down. Oh, here it is, Google Meet. And look what I can do. I can click on it and move it anywhere I want. So I'm going to move it all the way to the top so it'll be easy to find. So now I'm going to click on Google Meet and I get this screen. So I'm going to click the plus sign where it says join or start a meeting. I'm going to type in the meeting nickname, PHSELD1, Lynch, LYNCH. Then I'm going to click continue. Okay, now I'm going to click join now. Hey, I'm in the meeting. So I'm waiting for you to join me, but we won't do that until later today. So that's how you do it. That's how you join Google Meet. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody soon. Bye-bye.